Handing over to Mission Director.
This is Mission Director. The EOS-08 satellite as well as the SR-0 satellite has been injected into the required orbit. This SSLV D-3 EOS-08 mission has been accomplished.
यहाँ इसके साथ SSLV D-3 EOS-8 मिशन सफलता को प्राप्त करता है। आप सभी दर्शकों के लिए आपका दिन मंगलमय हो।
The third and final developmental flight of SSLV is successfully accomplished. SSLV, another arrow in ISRO's arsenal. We take leave from you. Up next is the address by Secretary DOS, Chairman ISRO, Dr. S. Somnath and the mission executives. Thank you.
Mission Director. Spacecraft Director. Avinash. So good morning all of you. As you have already seen, the third development flight of SSLV D-3 with the EOS-08 satellite has been successfully accomplished. The rocket has placed the spacecraft in the very precise orbit as planned. I find that there are no deviations in the injection conditions. The final orbit, of course, will be known after tracking, but the current indication is that everything is perfect. The EOS-08 satellite as well as SR-0 satellite also has been injected after the maneuvers. And congratulations to the SSLV D-3 team, the project team. With this third development flight of SSLV, we can declare the development process of SSLV is completed. And congratulations now. So we are on the process of transfer of the technology of SSLV to industries and for serial production and launches of SSLV in a commercial basis. So it's a great beginning for the rocket, the small satellite launch vehicle. And for us, the payload on this mission was EOS-08 satellite, which all of you are aware. It is an experimental satellite designed and realized by ISRO for proving many technologies, including very important payloads. And I am hoping that all of this will be proven in due course of time. As I am aware, the satellite solar panels have already been deployed. Further, we are looking for certain activities in the the VTM stage, and all that will be completed in due course of time. So congratulations once again for the entire team who worked behind the scene to develop this SSLV rocket and its culmination of development program. Let us give a big round of applause to the entire team. I hand over now to the Mission Director, Sri Vinod.